Hello everyone, this is how I solve this interesting equation. So this is the fourth root of s and I'm going to write it this way. S raised to the power of 1 over 4 plus the square root of s, I'll write it like this. S raised to the power of 1 over 2 equal to 1, comma. Now, I'll write this again. S raised to the power of 1 over 4 plus s raised to the power of 1 over 2 is the same thing as s raised to the power of 1 over 4 times s raised to the power of 1 over 4. So write it this way, times s raised to the power of 1 over 4. Everything equal to what? 1. Now, if we multiply these two, s raised to the power 1 over 4 times s raised to the power 1 over 4, we are going to get s raised to the power 1 over 2. So I will substitute. I will say, let x raised to the power 1 over 4 equal to p. Now, anywhere I see s raised to the power 1 over 4, I will replace it with what? P. So here will be what? P plus, this one will now be P again, times P equal to 1. Now, we have something like this. This is P plus P times P square equal to 1. Now, this is a quadratic equation. I will have to rearrange it. So it will look like this. P square plus P equal to P square plus P minus 1 equal to 0. So this is the complete quadratic equation. Now, I would like to use the formula method in solving this quadratic equation. The first thing I'll need to do, I'll need to know the value of A, B, and C. The value of A is the coefficient of P square. So A is equal to 1, while the value of B will be the coefficient of P. B is equal to 1 also. Then C equal to minus 1. Then I will write my quadratic formula. So we say our quadratic formula is like this. So we say P equal to minus B plus or minus the square root of B square minus 4AC all over 2A. Now, we'll continue. P will now be equal to minus, our B is 1, so I'll replace B with 1 here, plus or minus the square root of B is 1, so here will be what? 1 square minus 4 times A is also 1, so we'll say times 1 times C is minus 1. C is what? Minus 1. Then close our over 2 times A is 1. Continue again. P will now be equal to minus 1 plus or minus the square root. If I simplify everything inside the square root sign here, I'll get 5. All over 2 times 1 is what? 2. So the next thing to do, I will say P is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 over 2, or P equal to minus 1 minus root 5 over 2. So we have gotten the values of P. But if I want to get the value of X, I'm going to use only this value of P to get the value of X. So we say that, recall, X raised to the power of 1 over 4 equal to P. Recall this. So now I'll write S raised to power 1 over 4 equal to this value here, minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. So now, to get x, I'm going to raise both power to power 4. So here would therefore become x raised to the power of 1 over 4 raised to the power of 4. Then open a bracket again, minus 1 plus root 5 over 2 raised to the power of 4 also. Now, power will multiply power here. So if 1 over 4 multiplied by 4, we have 1. So therefore, we say x is equal to minus 1 plus root 5 all over 2. Everything raised to the power 4. So this is the final solution to this particular equation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos.